So the deck has been repainted. This new stainless fish holder here. Looks like it might have been some kind of winch system when it was previously used as a fishing boat. All the scuppers are down the back here. We'll have a quick look in the engine room. As you can see, it's very clean. It's been repainted and a new stainless steel fuel tank put on it. All new skin fittings, new batteries, we've got nice wide walk around decks. That there is a panel to stop the water going in for the engine, air intake. As you can see, brand new windscreen wipers, all the windows are new. A new deck hatch. We've got a Maxwell electric anchor windlass, stainless steel cleats. And you can walk down this side as well. Coming up on top, we've got a Quantum 2 radar. We've got this A-frame with the navigation lights and search lights on it. We've also got wind speed and VHF. There's a solar panel here on top for charging. Right, going inside, we've got a suspension seat here. We've got a Raymarine hybrid chart plotter, wind speed, direction, autopilot, and here's the Perkins engines with the voltmeter and everything else on it. And there's your controls, throttle and gear. Got a VHF here on the side. We've got the anchor windlass and the controller here, and hydraulic steering with the bow thruster down there. Inside we've got the seating area, which is a L-shaped seating. Shore power. Over here we've got heating. Little galley area. Isolator here. And going down below, we've got this large seating area, and as an infill goes in here to make a berth across the section. To port, we've got the toilet with a shower. We've got hot and cold water here. Lower here for aerating the interior. And then down here we've got a large double berth. Hatches here, storage in the section, and we've got a hatch up there.